Hello and welcome to Sudarshan CADD Tech channel. In this video series, we are going to learn how to apply material to the object. And so let's begin with. So here is my by default cube, camera, and one light source. So now we are going to apply some material to this cube and see how it looks. So yours, you can see there are some buttons over here. So this is for the wireframe. So by after selecting this cube and selecting this button, our view will be changed. Now it is in the wireframe. Now this is in the shaded mode. This is in the now material shaded mode, and this is in the rendered mode. So these are the four objects. By buttons, we can have the different view to our creator object. So time being, we are switching back to the shaded, and again to apply some material to this, there are some methods, but now we are using the uh, material properties menu. So this is the properties menu, and here we can find the different properties for these, such as this is for the render properties, then this is the active works setting, then again this is the output properties, then layer properties, scene properties again, then the world properties, and this is the modifier. Modifier is very useful tool to modify our objects. So now we are using this material tab over here, and so now you can see this is the plus sign and the material. So now this is our material, which is by default created for this cube. So we are click on the new material and select surface to the principal BDBSDF, and again the base color to, suppose I will change the base color to something like this, red, some kind of red brown. And so this is the subsurface color, so we are not going any doing anything to that. Okay, so now we're going to see how it will be look when after it get rendered. So to look through the camera, you need to press 0 on your keyboard, so you can look to the camera how the object will looks. And again, this is our rendered mode. So after rendering, the object will look like something like this. So we will add some background plane or the below bottom plane for this. Again, adding shift and A and select the plane and scale a bit, and grab it down to Z axis. So now here you can see the shadows of the cube. So our light source is from this direction, and this is casting some shadows. This is our point light source. So now we will see how it looks through the camera. So you can see there is a lot of space in the camera that which is will be just a black space. So we'll be just scale it a little bit our plane, and let's see now. Yeah, now I think it's okay. Or when we can do the one thing, we just rotate our camera only. So just this is the camera, and just rotate it in the, let's say, not the Z direction, then Y direction. Yeah, okay. So I have too much sensitivity of the mouse, so just you need to check that once. Okay. For now, let's see how it will be looks after rendering. So just press F12 on your keyboard and wait for a while. It will be take some time to render our object. The rendering time also depend upon the how you created the object, different meshes in the object or different layers, and also your depends on your hardware or the your computer graphics card. So if you have the good graphics card, it will take some very less time. So hopefully just we're gonna wait for some time. Yeah, this is our rendered object. You can see this is our rendered image. After rendering, it will be look like this. So this is the basic cube and basic rendering. So the Blender has a lot of more capabilities than this. Just we're gonna learn step by step in the next videos. If you like a video, just please like a video, share and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Thank you.